Hello, friends. I'm going to tell you a little bit about Google Sites, which is one of the options you have for presenting your research information. So to access Google Sites, you can, of course, just Google it, and it'll end up with Google Sites. You can also, when you're in your Drive, you can go to your Waffle, and there is a Google Sites button. For some reason, it always goes to the old version. So I always like to choose the new version because it's a little bit more user-friendly. So I'm going to click that. So Google Sites, of course, is creating a website. Okay, so once you create this, you'll have a choice as to whether it's out there for the world to see, or if only certain people can see it, and that kind of stuff. Okay, so you can see that I've created a few Google Sites. I'm going to show you. It took me a hot second to remember where to add a site. It's down here in the right-hand corner, this little add button. So it says create new site. So you'll want to click on that. Then when it opens up, it will give you your basic background, here's your title page, and you'll start here. So let's say I did my research on polar bears. Excuse my slow typing because I am typing one-handed while I'm holding this microphone. So then maybe I want to change the image of the background. There's some gallery stuff. I could search on the Google. I'm going to look at the galleries because this is just the background. And as I'm scrolling down, I'm thinking, ooh, that looks kind of like icy, and I'm doing polar bears. So I'm going to choose intentionally what I want to have on there. Okay, so this is my home page. Like when if you're going to a website to learn about stuff, there might be a home page, and then within that home page, you're going to have some links. Okay, so this will be your opening page, and then you're going to want to add pages so that you can give us information in a logical way. So up here in this little menu area, there's an option for a page. And so I'm going to go down here again. We have a plus button, and I'm going to add a new page. Now, I'm going to call this whatever I want to be on this page. So maybe I am going to talk about the habitat of the polar bear, right? So I'm going to create that page. And you'll now notice that I have the home page, which is the one that says polar bears, and I have now my page that has habitat. Now I go back to the Insert tab, and then I have some options for layouts. And I can scroll down, and I think you can, oh, no, you can't. These are pretty much what they have available. So let's say I wanted to put this in here. So now I'm going to add an image here. So I'm going to select an image, and again, I have some options. So the easiest one is obviously to Google some stuff. So when you do this, it's going to give you stuff that's free to use and within the bounds of all the rules that you have to have about using stuff out there. So I have polar bears. So, oh, that one's really cute. I'm going to use that one. Well, actually, I'm not sure if that's the one I want to use because this is about the habitat, right? So, ooh, this one kind of shows something kind of cool. Obviously, I need to pick one that's going to show a really good picture of where they live. So this one has ice and water, so I want to share maybe with that one. Then over here, I might write something cute like home. Okay, so then that's a title. And then now I'm going to start typing in. I'm not going to type something that matters right now, friends. I'm just going to put gibberish in here. But this is where I would put my information that I learned about where they live. So then now I want a new page because I now want to find out. I want to share with you about food. So I'm going to put that in there, and now I'm going to go choose my layout here. So perhaps I'm going to use this one. Oh, I don't think I can use this one. I think I'm going to get rid of it. So over here, do you see where it says delete section? I can delete that section because I'm realizing I need, again, some way to share some information. So here's where I've got some text. So I might say dinner time as my section. Then I'm going to type about stuff, and then I might type. I'm obviously need an image because anytime you have a website, y'all know that it's going to be so much better if it has an image, right? So polar bear eating. So I might look up that kind of. Oh wait, I had to put that in the other one. Sorry, polar bear. Whoop. Sorry, one-handed again, guys. All right, so, oh, look at that. That's so cute. Let me put that in there. So he's eating something. I don't know if that's what he's supposed to be eating. But then I might type something here, and then I might type something else here. Maybe something about predators or prey or something like that. Okay? So you'll notice up here I have the different tabs that I would go to. You might want to include something on this page so it's not just so boring. So maybe over here, I might want to have an image carousel. So an image carousel, if I select an image and I just put some polar bear again. Oh, shoot. I gotta hit search. Polar bears. And I take, oh, that one's kind of cool looking. So I'm going to put that. And then I'm just going to add another one because you have to have at least 2. So I'm going to select an image. And I'm just going to grab something that is, well, I guess there's not really anything in my drive. So I guess I'll go back to search and I'll write polar bear again. This is a little tedious, but that's okay. And let me see. Oh, that one's cute with the baby. So I'm going to put that one. So maybe I have like 4 or 5 pictures I found in my research and I think it's really cool. So I'm going to insert them and you're only going to see one. You're going to see the last one that you put in. But let me show you up here. Up here, there's an option to preview your website. So you hit preview and now I'm on this page and notice that I have this image carousel, which gives me more than one opportunity to share pictures. Okay. Then if this is my what my website looks like. I go to Habitat and now I've got something on there. I've got food and I've got something on there. Okay. So I hit the back button to get back to where I'm going to be looking at. Actually, I need to go back to, let's see. I can X out. And now I'm back in the editing options. Of course, I want to name it Polar Bears, right? Okay. When you're done and you think everything looks awesome and you like it exactly the way you like, you have to publish it. And so you can name it. So this is fine because it's not taken. Then you want to manage this to probably, I think this is fine. Anyone at Birdville ISD can find and view the published version because it's just about Birdville ISD. Okay, so then we hit publish and your live version is published and you have now a URL that you will share with me and I'll show you how to do that. So this is the published site link. You will grab your link and then you will turn in your link to me on the form that I'm going to have you guys turn your stuff in. Okay, so super user friendly. Lots of options. You can add a table of contents. You can add collapsible text. You can play around with it. You guys are so tech savvy. I don't think you'll have any trouble at all. Okay? So that's Google Sites. Ask me questions if you have any.